and welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Hi and welcome to today. So what have I got in here to show you? I've got some golden apples. So we had the fruit, we were given the fruit by a friend, and I put them in the soil, and look what we've got now. We've got three that seem to be growing pretty strongly. This little one here, I don't even think that's a golden apple. I don't think that's a golden apple, but whatever's happening, it's not doing very well. So I planted that on the 2nd of the 10th, did I? 2nd of October. Okay, well that's not bad. 2 months, and we've got that growth. So what I'm going to have to do is decide on where they're going to go. I have to read up about them and see what they like. And yeah, hopefully they'll just sprout up. So it's a quick one today. That's the golden apple. But this is what they look like when they are young. And it will be amazing to taste the fruit. That's what I'm looking forward to. So thank you for joining me today, and just having a look at the golden apple. It's always great to experiment and just to see what you can produce just by putting a seed into the soil and just allowing it to do its thing, watering it and everything. I'll probably need to add some fertilizer, the Mexican sunflower leaves, just so that it can get some nourishment, because obviously in a pot it's not drawing stuff up from the soil, so it will need something. Okay, so thank you for joining me. I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow and seeing what else we've got going on in the garden. So take care for now.